tell you how Canada hot tumblers and stuff. I'm not even hot like Jamaica. It's just humid. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, greetings and love to one another. How you doing, man? Listen, see my friend, bring on some fish here. One fish here. Spice and big fish here. I don't know what kind of fish, man. Look, I'm not even see the label what they're on it, man. Is a man. It's funny about certain fishes. You know what I'm saying? Look like kingfisher, man. I'm kingfish. You know what I'm saying? There's a snap or something, some big snapper fish. I don't know. Anyway, guys, if you don't know what kind of fish, just comment in the section there and tell me. See? Yeah, man. Yo, before me go any further with the cooking, see him bring out a jelly. Yeah, man. Bring a jelly for me. And breadfruit or Jamaica stone dog right now. You know, see it because Burial decide to take some tree out of road, out of the ground. Breadfruit did a drop on the waist. It's not right now. But you know, we are on here so still. Before me go any further, I'm going to cook this watch up. I'm bring on a nice pear coming, you know. I want to look. Feel the water is still. But anyway, we'll see. Yeah, man, so we're there on here, so. And we're going to do this thing. Out the door. We'll fry up them something here. Roast a breadfruit. Out the door settings we're going to do. But before we go any further, I want to say this. You know, way up here saying at the north, you know. I mean, I say big up to all of Jamaica. I strengthen myself, and I'm strong in strength, strong in talent, everything. See? So Beryl couldn't even put on down nowhere. Beryl have to pass over and go about in business. Even though she or he make some damage down there. I'm good to know. It's not nice to know, but only 2 lives in a year lost, and that's not bad. You understand? But him or she do some damage down the yard. Them I tell you, cause I see it. I mean, tree root up out of ground, everything. I see all a woman up on her roof, a whole lamp on her zinc, you know. Yeah, man, I see one woman up on her room, a whole lamp on her zinc, and I say, boy, it's either me or my rooftop. So I know that Jamaica is strong. Big up yourself here, lady, wherever you is in the world. I know you're alive. You understand? Whole lamp on your house, on the zinc, on the roof. And Beryl have gone somewhere. You know, see it? Woman, all that flock a fly up, but she hold up on her zinc and say, my house now gone nowhere. Me are the house. See? Anyway, man. Big up on yourself, Jamaica. Glad to see everyone survive the whole thing. And, you know, yeah, man, it's a good thing. They know that everyone is alright and things like that. And pass over and gone. So, Rastafari. See? So yeah, man, so we're going to do some cooking. Some fish, breadfruit, pear, and we're going to do an outside setting. See? So stick and stay, fasten yourself like glue. Rastafari soon come on the bend like, Lionheart, leave it there, you know. I want to deal with it. A long time so I'm going to do some cooking, I'm not doing it with a hat now. See? Rastafari. Glue yourself. I'll come. I'll cook a bit soon. Aye? Yeah, man, I tell you, every time I see the woman hold on her roof, Rastafari, I have to say, yo, I saw me know Jamaican just. Sure. Alright. See me there, I say with my fish right now, I'm going to put some seasoning on it. See? Me never too sure, guys, what I really want to do with it. I'm going to put it in the fine paper, butter. You understand? And fling it on the grill, but me I think to myself, my God, out of door is so hot. And if you go grow on like the heat and this, see? That's the thing alone, man. See it, so a little bit of seasoning here and there upon it, you know. Guys, I think I don't know what kind of fish is it. It's a kingfisher or something, I don't know. I'm not a fish expert, guys. My brother just bring it, come give me some. I appreciate of it, you know. Alright, guys. Fling some Maggi on it. I must say Maggi have to dip on everything you make up, you know. Maggi have to dip on everything you cook. I try not to be cheap with it, but, you know. I know much me have left in it. And then I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper. A little bit of salt. I'm being cheap, guys. That's why it now come out. I'm not lying. I love my Maggi and I only one I have left. And it's soon done. So again. Over season and catch. Good. Actually, I'm not even put no salt on it, guys, because the not seasoning it, salt enough already. I'm not gonna put no salt on it. Yeah, man. So, this is how I got. Alright guys, and I know some have to wash your fish not true, so I'm clean, don't worry about it. You know, somehow I'm going to think some things, you know. Awesome. Yeah. And I will cut one piece at a time and put it on it. And I will just fry it. And I might just cook it down a little bit. So I can have a little bit of gravy with it to eat with my roast breadfruit. So I say, yeah man, and that never be. Sprinkle a little bit. First you know, so guys, I'm going to line up a scotch bonnet in my blouse and skirt later too, you see me? Without that, I look at black pepper where them I use, then I sit on pepper. Yes guys, so here what I'm going to do now. Me, I, Lionheart, Livity, Lifestyle. I'm going to make them marinate for a bit. And I'm about to do ketchup and fire for my breadfruit. Really? Yeah man, so I'm going to stick and stay fast and myself like glue. And when we come back, we're going to cook a bit. We're going to set up that cool fire for the breadfruit. See? I'll yourself. Still come back. Alright guys, so I do what I do right now. Run my little stove them, you know. One for breadfruit and one for fried fish. So I'm going to light them up. Guys, my day is sweat like a hog. Oh gosh, man. Yeah, man. So I'm going to light them up, guys. See if you can catch it. Light them up. Hot out there now, guys. Watch me like hot, me dropping on this fire here, you know. That's a problem, you know. Imagine. See? You can find a little bram now for me. I know the paper will make it burn still. Paper will make it keep burning still, you know. I want everybody catch. It's so bright out here, guys, I don't even know if fire. I hear crackling. So that means things must be alright. So that one there go on nice. Because him have more wool underneath him. More wool underneath him. See it? Anyway guys, just how we start up the fire, I'm going to make it blaze up, go and catch up them coal here, and then we're going to drop the breadfruit in there and carry. Yes I am. Yes I am. Yeah. Then if we bram thing and burn fast guys, so to make the coal catch a fire quick. See me? One here, catch already, you know. See that? Come closer, you can see that catch already. You can go and burn a little bit and catch out some more. Then you see me again. I'm going to drop fish in a pot and breadfruit the pasta. See? Stick and stay like you fasten yourself. You come back and cook a bit. Rastafari. Get my breadfruit on. I don't know what went wrong with my camera just now. I have no idea what went wrong with my camera a little while, but it seems like it got a little foggy. But anyway, I got my breadfruit on. And things like that. So we're going to deal with it. I'm going to go inside, I'm going to go grab the fish pot and put it on the fire and drop the fish them in it. And see where I go on. So stick and stay like glue. You don't know, so you're there around the corner, round the bends, Lionheart ends again. And right over there, so, are the warrior. Brother that.
You know, see like the first part.
When him do all the time, him just come sit down. And when the food done, him yam. And I love when them upjoy and enjoy themselves, so nothing wrong with that. See? That's the part.
Fire go and blaze. Blaze fire.
Yeah, man. I'll soon come back. Alright, guys. Here we go. I can't be reading at the smoke, but you don't know, go. Alright, pot now. And you see, because of the fish, them thick, guys. You not drop off of there, no? Yeah, man, that's about. That should good be enough. Yeah. Nice enough. A 3 slice of fish. And guys, I find out the name of the fish I'm about to cook. Beautiful meaty groupa. Groupa slices. Yeah man, my fish that man, and nice. So right as I have good time when we get off from the garden over there, so drop in my pot. Okay. Garlic in the pot. Wash them already, guys. Let that go and heat up. Hot up, real hot. And breadfruit I so I go and do its thing. See? Yeah man, so stick and stay. Check it out. Soon drop the fish in the pot. Soon come back. See? Allez. Bullet! See them here now? Groupa. I think the pot hot enough now, guys. Well, it's not hot enough. I don't know how it's sticking now, guys. Just spread them. Aye. Yes, man. You just crisping the little oil, guys. That's okay. That is so hot out the door already. Yeah. So the group of just spread. I'll just go and make me fry the same way. We have one more piece to put in there, but we can't fit in there. And God knows so we don't like to fit him in there, you know, because you know something, guys? Guess what? So when man's stubborn, man, just like baby, don't make the bone your foot. Now this is Irie Nuh Man, no mercy at all. And out the door, you're so hot already. Oh gosh, man. Guys, my breadfruit are going. I'm going to see if I can be cooked, man. Yeah. Jeez. Yeah, man, I can go on, guys. I'm going to take time and roast. See my fish down in this, I'll go and do thing. Groupa. Beautiful, man. Beautiful groupa, guys. I'm going to step up in this thing here, so we just not something here. I thought you're bad. Alright. So as I was saying, see the groupa you have one. You know, both the door is nice and beautiful, very hot today. You know, breadfruit are going to roast. You know, guys, look up here over your cup. So the pineapple are going to see here. My man, pineapple in a pot. You don't know. So we pepper them over here, so. Pepper them over here, so. Look, now look up pepper come here, so guys. I'm gonna look up pepper come here, so. So I have one big pepper over here, so. Okay. Nice. Yeah, man, I'm gonna come see. My beer, man. See my time. And this guy, I don't know this already. This here one here. Then called eggplant. I'm sure I'm going to get an eggplant off of him. You know, see it? Then I have tomato. I'm sure I'm going to get some. See? So I better go on, man. And the backyard today, you know. Not as nice as I would like it to be, but it's nice enough here and nice. So I'm going to go and cook up them things, yeah. I want to go see where I'm going. Round the corner, round the bends. You don't know, say, yo, hot over here in Canada, you know, but God knows the sun hot, you know. Humidity. Hot. Hey. Big up the woman of Jamaica where hold up her zinc on the roof. You hear me say?
Yes,
Big up yourself and big up Jamaica all the way because you overcome.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
You just need to have the faith and stay strong with that
Love
faith.
one
You hear me
another.
say? And love one another.
Yeah, man.
Love one
Love
another
one another.
all the time.
Yeah.
You understand? Because this goes to show, watch out. We don't go through Ivan, we don't go through Gilbert, we don't go through so much hurricane. I mean, I studied from 1967 or 57 and get hurricane. Jamaica not stop your stuff. I want to overcome all the time. See? We don't build strong, I want to get stronger. Don't ever stop.
Yeah, man.
Master God, praise now and bless
Yes,
us. So last year.
first.
Up north, me there, no. But I watch everything I go on.
High roots.
You know, see it go in. Now I'm going to see it come out. Alright? Guys, them are something that breadfruit still is a start going, man. Breadfruit don't believe it or not. But guys, I'm going to take them out right now, you know. And when I take them out, you know, might see, and kind of have a mash. Sorry guys, but January, man, it's hot. Look on my shirt. I'm going to start with that dry shirt. Look on my shirt. Wake up. See him? Alright, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take out them fish out of here, so see him? Like I said, they might mash up, but I try to fry them as crispy as I could. As possible. Groupa fish, you know, look on a slice. Quite nice. Yeah? Sure. Trousers and skirt, man. So, Mr. Guys, might mash up a bit, but so I go now. And so, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, man. So, here we go. Kind of feel a little awkward, guys, because my face is sweat and I don't want to drop in the pot, you see me? It's all good, man. So, I'm going to say we're going to eat it. Just like the breadfruit. Sorry. Mash up a bit, but that's how it goes. Groupa slice. Steak slice. You know? But, yes, sir. Same way, so we're going to eat it, you know. We'll share it out nicely on a plate. Or some things. The breadfruit with care, and we are going to eat. See? So when I peel the breadfruit, you know so I have one. See? Stick and stay, fasten yourself like the Rastafari soon come through. Really? Guys, go ahead and peel off my breadfruit right now, you know? I know some people peel the breadfruit wrong, but that one is so small right now. I'm going to peel it anyway, just so I can save some of the food, you know, because if I peel too deep, if I peel too deep, then I'll have it. This guys, this is breadfruit. For those of you here in the north, yeah, I don't know it, I'm brush it. Yeah? Let me tell you, you know, breadfruit have a little turness to it because it smells sweet. It smells sweet. As small as breadfruit, it smells like roast. Oh, you guys, hot you see? Massa. Right, that's all. Breadfruit small, you guys. Oh my gosh. Watch ya. Little rubber. Which is small, guys. That's alright. Yeah. Breadfruit cannot turn, guys. Yeah. So we're gonna deal with it, you know. Just like that. I know guys, I'm a little bit messy right now, but I'm watching face now. I'm watching face. Do it like my dad Jamaica and I get it. Oh, I lose that piece of breadfruit there. How you go? Okay, now yes sir. Mad. See that? Anyway. Let's take off the block off, right? You know what I'm saying? So we are going to deal with it. So we are going to deal with it. Three away I eat, so all good. See? Yes guys, so see breadfruit slice up there. Next time you see me, I'll put some in a plate, yes one this so. One for one and one for the other, not true. See? So stick and stay fast and yourself like you. So the outdoor thing, round the corner, round the bend. Lionheart ends again. Liberty style, you don't know. That's stuff alright. Check it, the sun come back. Alright guys. I did want to show one me I share it about. Hot man. Respect on the guys at Jamaica. They run the stick fire. I do all the roast breadfruit and all the cooking and everything. Respect. Massive respect, you understand? Because I do what I do here right just up in the north, you know. And the humidity when me I get hot. See? Anyway, peel up breadfruit, shear up everything, guys. This is what I come to. A little breadfruit actually shear to the tree away. Everybody get a piece. See? I tell you that the fish can a group of fish, you know. It just come out a little bit mad, but it's edible. You still can eat it, it's eatable. You understand? Yeah man. So add that to a deal with. So watch this now. See this? It's a little bit of lime, you know. Put it on the fish. On the pier. Yeah man. Get a little sting. Nice, it's really nice. You don't have to squeeze everything, just a little sting to it. You understand? Yeah man. And at that we are deal with on this day. See? So once again I say to all my Jamaicans, respect to you. And you guys held up real good for Barrow. See? I mean no son gonna build stronger again. See? Enough respect and condolences to the 2 lives that was lost that I've heard of anyway. See? So that we deal without a door. Lionheart Liberty. Glad me can go in a little bit of cooking here because it's been a while. See? It's been a while, but I'm coming guys. I'm coming. Just be patient with me. I'm coming, alright? So round the corner, round the bend. You don't know say I like a bit of cooking there. So this is what I'm gonna do for me. I'm gonna take care of yourself and each other. See? Until next time, more time. Rastafari, Haile Selassie. So where to go?
Oh, yes.
Nice.
Up.
Yes, you know what that for? That's a finger food. Nice. Yeah. But it tastes nice with a little lime squeeze on it.
Oh man.
Yeah man. That we are talking about. Yeah man. So when we do a little outdoor thing, you know. Not just something simple like this we always do. You understand? Something simple like this. I will do some ackee saltfish. And most of the time you probably see some roast yam. You never know. You understand? So once again guys, take care of yourself and each other until such time. Where are the 3 people then?
People, just place upon yourself and God that, you know, go through the storm and things prevail in ways where everybody is nice and sound.
Yeah man.
Keep up the good work.
Yeah man.
And more blessing, more life.
Yeah man.
And strength.
Yeah man. And
just strive that. Try and die. I don't know things that already.
Yeah man, truth like that. So, as I man say, remember, like, share, and subscribe the thing. See? And leave a comment. Rastafari, highly hype. Bless upon yourself. Irie Nuh Man.